Hi, Coach Ron here. I hope everybody is well and safe in these very strange times that we're living in. Since we have our baseball season paused, I thought it might be a good idea to do some training videos. And what I wanted to show you guys today was how to make a duct tape baseball. You can't really use it today because it's raining, but these are really fun, and it's great to use them in confined spaces like in a San Francisco backyard, for example. So the reason I like them is you can do batting practice in the backyard. Always make sure to wear your helmet though, they won't break any windows or hurt anybody or anything like that. They're also really good for catching because the surface is a little sticky, so it sticks to the glove. It's also not too bouncy. Like a tennis ball or a wiffle ball, those are all really hard to catch with a glove, but these are really good, especially if you're in some kind of a confined space. So what you need is a piece of paper. Any piece of paper will do, like an old rag or a t-shirt or something, a pair of scissors, of course, and of course duct tape. I don't know if other kinds of tape would work. I haven't tried it, but duct tape works really well. I usually like brightly colored duct tape. Makes the ball a little easier to see when you're doing batting practice or whatnot. So first what you do is you take your piece of paper and you ball it up as tight as you can. This is going to be the core. And then you cut a rag. Now this is not an exact science, and these things don't have to be round. You can see this one isn't. They all work just as well. And as far as how much cloth you need, it doesn't really matter. If you saw our collection of these, the sizes are all over the place, so it doesn't really have to be precise at all. But the idea is to have a little bit of give underneath the duct tape. This is probably a little small, but I think it'll work. So the key to this is when you wrap the duct tape, you don't want it to be too tight, because if you make it too tight, then the ball gets too dense, and then it does start to hurt. So we just start with wrapping a piece around that way, and then wrap another piece crisscrossing the other way. Again, the key here is don't make it too tight. You want it to be, nice and squishy. And I usually put, 2 or 3 layers of duct tape on it, and I just keep kind of taping it in kind of a crisscross fashion to make sure all the cloth is covered. All right, that's pretty much it. You can make it a little bigger by adding some more duct tape. But this is pretty much it. So yeah, it's very easy to make. If you have the stuff to do it, I strongly recommend you do it. It's a lot of fun, right, Isaac?
Yep.
All right, have a good day. Thanks, guys.